Are home chargers for electric vehicles really necessary? In this video, I'll investigate whether you actually need a home charger and how much you should pay for one, or if the granny charger that comes with the car is enough. First, let's break down the difference between AC and DC charging circuits in EVs. AC, or alternating current, is what you get from your home socket, while DC, direct current, is typically what you find in public fast chargers. Using a 13 amp socket at home can be surprisingly convenient for many drivers. Sure, it's slower, but if you're not driving hundreds of miles every day, it might just be sufficient. Let's compare. A 13 amp socket might give you around 3 to 5 miles of range per hour. A home charger, you're looking at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Public chargers can go up to 100 miles in just 20 minutes. But is the speed worth the cost? Not everyone needs a home charger. For most motorists, that 13 amp socket is more than enough. Coming up, I'll review available chargers and special offers from utility companies. Don't get swayed by unnecessary features. Remember, monitoring your car's state of charge is a breeze with your EV app. Scheduled charging can save you money, and some utilities offer intelligent charging that automatically selects the best times to charge. So, when should you invest in a home charger? If you drive a lot, or if you need faster charging speeds regularly, it might make sense. But for many, it's an unnecessary luxury. As we've seen, the decision to get a home charger for your electric vehicle depends on various factors. Whether you opt for a 13 amp socket, a public charger, or a home charger, consider your driving patterns and charging needs. Don't forget, the true charger is already built into your EV. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more EV tips and reviews. Please give us the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Also, leave us a comment. I'm your name, and I'll catch you in the next video.